Epic poetry stands as one of humanity's most enduring narrative forms, weaving together the myths, histories, and aspirations of entire civilizations. Through grand tales of heroes and gods, epic poetry has shaped the cultural memory of societies across the ages. Storytelling within these works captures the essence of human dreams, the trials faced in adversity, and the ideals that communities strive to uphold. In this lecture, we will embark on a journey through the world of epic literature, exploring how these monumental stories continue to inspire and define us. Epic poetry is a long narrative poem that celebrates heroic deeds and embodies the values of a culture. The term epic originates from the Greek word epos, meaning word, story, or poem. Typically, epic poems feature larger-than-life heroes, grand adventures, and frequent interventions by gods or supernatural forces. These works serve as vessels for cultural memory, preserving important stories, beliefs, and traditions for future generations. Through epic poetry, societies pass down their ideals and collective identity in a memorable and engaging form. The Epic of Gilgamesh stands as one of the earliest known works of literature, originating from ancient Mesopotamia over 4,000 years ago. It tells the story of King Gilgamesh, a powerful ruler whose life is transformed by the deep friendship he forms with Enkidu. After Enkidu's untimely death, Gilgamesh embarks on a profound journey in search of meaning and the secret to immortality. Throughout his quest, the epic delves into universal themes such as the inevitability of mortality, the value of companionship, and the acceptance of one's destiny. These timeless reflections continue to resonate, offering insight into the human condition across the ages. Homer's Iliad stands as one of the cornerstones of Greek literature, offering a vivid portrayal of the Trojan War and its legendary hero, Achilles. The epic delves deeply into themes of honor and pride, exploring how these values drive the actions of warriors and leaders alike. Through the character of Achilles, the narrative examines the personal struggles and conflicts that arise from wounded pride and the pursuit of glory. At the same time, the Iliad does not shy away from depicting the tragic cost of war, highlighting the suffering, loss, and devastation experienced by both victors and the vanquished. Ultimately, the poem invites reflection on the complexities of heroism and the enduring consequences of human conflict. Homer's Odyssey is a timeless epic that chronicles the arduous journey of Odysseus as he strives to return home after the Trojan War. Facing countless obstacles, Odysseus encounters formidable mythical beings and endures the unpredictable whims of the gods. Each challenge tests his courage, wit, and resilience, reflecting the broader human struggle to overcome adversity. The Odyssey not only explores the hero's longing for home, but also delves into themes of loyalty, perseverance, and the enduring power of hope. The Ramayana stands as one of the most revered epics in Indian civilization. Traditionally attributed to the sage Valmiki, it narrates the journey of Prince Rama, who embarks on a perilous quest to rescue his wife, Sita, after she is abducted by the demon king Ravana. Throughout his adventure, Rama is guided by the principles of Dharma, or righteous conduct, demonstrating unwavering loyalty to his loved ones and a steadfast commitment to moral duty. The epic explores the complexities of honor, sacrifice, and the triumph of good over evil, offering timeless lessons that continue to inspire generations. The Mahabharata stands as the world's longest epic, chronicling the intense rivalry and eventual war between the Pandavas and the Kauravas. Within its vast narrative, it encompasses the Bhagavad Gita, a profound philosophical dialogue that addresses questions of morality, duty, and the nature of righteousness. The epic delves deeply into the complexities of power, the responsibilities that come with it, and the ethical dilemmas faced by its characters. Through its stories, the Mahabharata explores spiritual philosophy, examining the paths to self-realization and the struggle to uphold dharma or moral order in the face of adversity. Its enduring themes continue to inspire reflection on the human condition and the choices that define our lives. Epic poetry has played a significant role in shaping Bengali literature, with Michael Madhusudan Dutt's Meghnad Mahakavya standing as a landmark example. This work boldly reinterprets the Ramayana by telling the story from the perspective of Meghnad, the son of Ravana, offering readers a nuanced view of a traditionally vilified character. Dutt's innovative approach not only humanizes Meghnad, but also challenges established narratives. Furthermore, Meghnad Mahakavya introduces modern poetic forms and techniques to Bengali literature, blending Western influences with classical Indian themes. This fusion marked a turning point, inspiring future generations of Bengali poets and writers. Epic literature has long served as a vital vessel for preserving the collective memory and ideals of societies. Through grand narratives and memorable characters, epics transmit core values like heroism, justice, sacrifice, and leadership across generations. These stories not only celebrate the deeds of legendary figures, but also offer models of behavior and moral guidance. By recounting the struggles and triumphs of their heroes, epics help communities understand their shared history and aspirations. In doing so, they shape a society's sense of identity and provide enduring lessons about what it means to live with honor and purpose. Epic narratives have left a lasting imprint on modern culture, shaping the way stories are told across various mediums. Contemporary films, novels, and fantasy sagas often borrow from the grand structures of ancient epics, featuring heroic journeys, larger-than-life characters, and sweeping conflicts between good and evil. This enduring tradition can be seen in blockbuster franchises and best-selling books that captivate audiences with their scale and depth. By drawing on these time-honored storytelling techniques, creators keep the spirit of epic tales alive, ensuring their relevance for new generations. The legacy of epic storytelling continues to inspire and connect people through shared themes of adventure, struggle, and triumph.